2016. ISA has witnessed transformations, not just in appearances, but in confidence, self-care, and personal journeys. And while we have faced challenges in the past few years, especially during the pandemic, today proves that with the right people, the right values, and the right vision, we can always begin stronger, bolder, and brighter. This relaunch represents a renewed commitment of giving our clients the best of what ISA stands for: trusted expertise, advanced technology, and heart-centered service. We are also excited to share new offerings, partnerships, and exclusive promos that reflect our drive to keep evolving while staying true to our roots. Thank you once again for your support and presence. We hope you enjoyed today's celebration, and we look forward to growing with you in this new chapter. Because here at ISA Shaw, you shine always. Thank you so much.